Automated guided vehicle with temperature sensor. The main aim of the robo is to move around in an open field, continuously avoiding obstacles and sensing temperature. This is done using the obstacle sensors and the temperature sensors. Now let's look at the main components of the circuit. The motherboard. The motherboard consists of a microcontroller where we dump the program, the power supply switch, the motor enable switch, and the connections to the motor. The temperature is sensed by using the LM35 sensor, which is connected to the ADC board. The ADC board is connected to the motherboard. The obstacles are sensed using the obstacle sensors. Obstacle sensor to the left, in the front, and to the right. When there is an obstacle in the front, the robo moves a few paces back and then changes direction. When there is an obstacle at the left, the robo moves towards the right side. We do this by switching off the right motor and only the left motor rotates, which turns the robo towards the right side. And the same with the right obstacle sensor. The obstacle sensors consist of a transmitter and a receiver. When the obstacle sensors detect an obstacle, they give an indication through a light. The LM35 sensor, also called as the precision temperature sensor, used to detect temperature. The readings to the LM35 sensor are analog. To convert this into digital, we connect the temperature sensor to the ADC board, which converts the analog temperature to digital and then supplies it to the readings on the motherboard. Cooling fan. Based on the readings from the temperature sensor, if the temperature exceeds a given limit, the cooling fan is switched on. In this case, we set that temperature as 24 degrees. As the robo moves around in an area continuously avoiding obstacles and sensing temperature, if the temperature exceeds a given limit, that is 24 in this case, the cooling fan is switched on automatically. As you switch on the motor enable switch, the robo moves around continuously sensing obstacles. When there is an obstacle in the front, the motors move behind. And when there is an obstacle towards the left, only the left motor moves, enabling it to turn towards the right side. And when there is an obstacle at the right, only the right motor moves, moving it towards the left side. Moving it towards the left. And the temperature sensor continuously senses temperature. Now the room temperature is 26, that is, it exceeded the default temperature set in the program. So the fan is switched on automatically.